So, may adlaw guys. So, for today's video, so mag-answer ta og 15 questions. So, na ako'y diri flip card. So, kaning flip card mo ni atong gamiton as a tool sa ato ang learning. So, nani siya 15 questions and also sa likod niya na siya mga answer. So, magbunot-bunot lang ta dianhi dayon ato ang ansiran. So, first question. Bunot tag isa. So, muna ni siya. What are the strengths of the waterfall model? So, skip lang sa nato ni guys kay murag di mata ka-answer ani kay murag di man jud ta ready ani nga question. Pero lang taon nato kung unsa ang iyang answer kay para ma-aware ta then para sunod makabalo na ta og unsa. So, muna ang answer. So, first is clear structure, then predictability, good for large projects, and easier to manage. Then, butang na to diri. Uni ang wala na ansiran. Then, second question. So, use blank if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timeliness. So, I think is kani siya agile model or agile. So, tanaw na to ang answer. Muni ang answer. So, waterfall. So, na wrong ta. Mali di ang atong answer. So, another 2 mistake na. Then, next is kini. The blank is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So, ang answer na to diri is waterfall. So, tanaw na to ang iyang answer. Muna ang answer. Ay, agile model man. Dili di ay mao. Tulo na kabuok mistake. Di pa jud ta ready ani. Then, kaupat nga question. Compare the waterfall model and agile model in terms of change management. So, change management. So, ang waterfall, it is costly. And ang change management is adaptable. So, lang taon na to kung sakto ba itong answer. Muna ang answer. So, muna siya no? Wala na ito na kumplito iyahang answer. Pero na ang costly o ang adaptable. Pero ang pananin niya is difficult and costly jud ang waterfall. Walang agile is easily adaptable. Pero at least, nakuha na to ang costly o ang adaptable. So, consider na lang na to ni kay wala tayo score. Kung na to consider, no. The next question. How do waterfall and agile models differ in terms of customer involvement and risk management? So, murag, skip lang sana to ni kay murag nalimot po ta diri nga part. Sa kani answer ani. So, taas-taas gyud ay siya answer guys. Mo ni guys o yang answer tanan. Taas-taas gyud ay. Studihan sa ni na to guys. Then next. What are the typical phases in waterfall model? So, typical phases. So, answer is requirement analysis. Then, pag ganito, requirement analysis. System design. Then, implementation. Then, integration and testing. Tas, deployment, and last is maintenance. So, atong lantawon kung sakto ang atong answer. Muni ang answer. So, tama ta guys. Naka-correct ta. Anatay, duha ka. Correct nga answer. 2 points na. The next is, what are the weaknesses of the agile model? So skip lang siguro nato ni guys kay murag lisod-lisod gyud siya kay weaknesses. So it means daghan gyud ni kay what are man. So mani ang answer. So as you can see, taas-taas gyud siya guys. Di gyud siya murag lisod gyud siya ikuan familiarize. The next is what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So murag gihapon guys, skip gihapon kay murag wala jud ta limot jud ta ni mga weaknesses ani niya. Then mo niyahang answer, correct answer. Na siya'y 5 ka weaknesses. Then another. What are the differences between waterfall and agile models in terms of project size, suitability? So, skip lang sa nato ni kay murag lisod-lisod siya kamay. So, mo din ang answer. So, mo ni, taas-taas po siya. Ang waterfall is work best for large and well-defined projects. While ang agile, ideal for small to medium-sized evolving projects. So, kani, what are the strengths of the agile model? So, pareha ra gyapon sa weaknesses. Nalimot ra gihapon guys. Dili jud ready. Mo ni ang answer. Flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, and better risk management. Mo ni siya. Next is how do waterfall and agile approaches differ in terms of time to market approach and testing pace? Skip lang sana to guys kay murag taas-taas kay ang question. Dili ready inyo hang kuan. So mo ni siya ang answer. Taas-taas jud siya. Then kani, the blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. So kini murag linear. So kini guys murag feeling nako maka-answer jud ta ani guys kay murag linear man from the word linear. So kaani siya guys, waterfall model. So lang taon nato kung sakto ba tong answer. Sakto. So 3 points na ta. 3 points pa taon. Then kani, di na ta mabunot kanina katulo na lang man sad isunod na nato. Use blank if the project requires continuous updates, user feedback, and rapid delivery for working features. So kini akong answer ani guys is agile model. Nanto na to answer. So sakto agile model. So, nanatay 4 points. Then, next is differentiate waterfall and agile in terms of flexibility. So, in terms of flexibility, ang waterfall is low and an agile is high. So, lantaw na to kung sakto ba. Sakto, guys. So, nanatay 5. Then, what are the key agile methodologies? So, the key agile methodologies is, first is Scrum, then Kanban, and Extreme Programming. So, lantaw na to. So, as you can see, tama nga to ang answer. So, lantaw na to. Ihapon na to kung pila kabuk ato ang na-correct. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, natay 6. So, makita dyan nato nung dili pag yun ay ready kay out of 15, 6 ra gyud atong nakuha. So sa next nato nga video, Ato na pud ni siyang ikuan para mas makuha na to kung naabay improvement ang ato ang learning gamit ani nga tools. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.